Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you have been enjoying my importation training videos so far. So guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to order branded products from 1688 website. This video was requested by one of my subscribers. Actually, I dropped my last video on importation last month. So I said I wanted to focus on my other videos, but since she requested for it, you know how much I love you guys. I said it won't be okay for me not to grant my subscriber a request. So that's why I am filming this video today, so that I can teach you how to order branded products from China. So guys, if you are new on this channel, my name is Goodness Ochiche Emmanuel Orifa. I teach on faith, motherhood, importation trainings, parenting, and so much more. So if you have not seen any of my videos before, please, I will advise you to check them out. And if you're interested in learning how to import from China, I have lots of videos on importation, so you can check on my importation playlist. I'll be linking it up here so that you can easily access it and watch how to import from China. And if you have any questions, kindly drop them and I'm going to attend to you. So guys, before any further ado, let us dive right into the video. Sometimes it is difficult to see branded products on 1688 like other products, because before one can start selling branded products like Louis Vuitton, Fendi, and the rest of them, you have to be licensed by those people. And in China, you know, now they always try their best to like replicate those products. So they are not really original. Yes, they are not really original, but you can get them affordable. And even if you want a very expensive, good quality one, you can also get it on 1688. So I'm going to be showing you how you can easily get them on 1688, because most times they are hidden. You can't really find them. And even if you see them, you see them blur the brand name because they were not given the license to sell those products. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can easily get branded products on 1688. I'm going to be teaching you the methods of getting those branded products on 1688. So guys, let's dive right into the video. The best way to search for products on 1688 is through photo, by using the photo icon to search for products. But when it comes to branded products, they are hidden, like I said earlier. You cannot easily see them on this website. These are some of the branded clothes I ordered for a customer. So what I want us to do right now is to take a screenshot of these clothes and search them on this same website. Let's see if we will see them. I am using the 1688 app. It is not translatable, so everything here is all in Chinese language. If you want to translate it, you have to use the web. So let us start searching by using the photo icon. Click on the picture icon like this, then click here, wait for it to load. Now I'll be selecting the screenshots that I just did so that we can search for the products. So you can see what is bringing out. You can see what is bringing out. Now let me click on this. Can you see that? You can see that it's not bringing out the exact thing we search for. Okay, let's check again. Can you see that? See what is bringing out. So they are hidden, and like I said, I ordered this same clothes for a customer from this same website. So let us check again. So I'm still searching for this cloth. So look at what is bringing out for us. And now it has brought out something similar. So click on this. You can see that this product is, the picture is blur because they don't have access to actually sell this branded clothes. That's why it is blur like this. So I'm going to show you the trick for you to always see branded products if you want to always order branded clothes, shoes, handbags from China, from this 1688 website. I'm going to be showing you the trick. So the trick is for you to keep clicking on the product. You can see this one here, it's expensive, 148 RMB. That is about 15,000 naira if you want to buy it. So all you need to do is to keep clicking on only branded products when you see one. You can see that the picture is blur. They are not going to show you because they don't want to be sued for it. So that is why the picture is blur. This is how you will know that it is actually branded products. So you keep clicking. You can enter the seller store. You can see this one is also blur. you know you keep clicking on it. So when you keep doing this and clicking on the product, it's going to alert the system that this particular person who is using this website at this moment is interested in all this kind of products. So they will be giving you suggestions, they will be showing you suggestion of this same product. So if you want to enter the seller store so that you can see more of this product, click on this store icon on your left hand side. Click on it. It's going to take you to the seller store so that you will see more of branded products you can easily buy. Look at this one here. This shirt right here is being sold for 99 RMB. That is about 10,000 naira plus. So you can see that it's quite expensive. For you to know it's really good quality. So this is the seller store. You can keep scrolling down for you to see more branded products. Look at this one. It's beautiful. This is beautiful. They are selling it for 145 RMB, 15,000 plus. So you keep scrolling down so that you can see more branded clothes, shoes. So right now, let me show you how you can order branded handbags and shoes. Okay, this one is Zara brand. You can see how beautiful the shoe is. So if you want to keep seeing branded products, do when you do a photo search, even though they bring out something that is not exactly what you're looking for, they bring out something similar. Just keep clicking on those similar products. So this one is Zara. You can see more of Zara shoes here. You can just enter the seller store and keep checking like this. You can, if you see the picture on social media, Instagram or Google, you can take it, bring it here and search for it using photo search. Like I said, if you don't see it after you search, just keep clicking on similar products. You are definitely going to get what you want. So let's move on to handbags. Let me show you one of the Zara shoe I ordered. This is it right here. This is how it comes in carton. So look at it. It's Zara. If you check it on the original Zara website, you are going to see it there. This is how it is. Look at it. Zara. Can you see it? Zara. This is a YSL handbag. You can see how beautiful it is. This is the video. Let me play the video so that you can see it. Can you see the bag? It's very beautiful. So let me show you more branded products. See, this one is also branded product. It comes in a box like this. So this is basically how to order branded products. You can see this this store, they have lots of the similar bags. So all you need to do is to keep clicking on them so that you can get small suggestion. They will be suggesting to you later on all these kind of branded products. So you just have to keep clicking. So when you are done searching, clicking, then you come and click on home. When you click on home, then you can see them showing you suggestions of different branded product, because the system has already been alerted that the user is interested in branded product. You can see the suggestions now. You can see it. So when you see suggestions, you will have to keep clicking too. You have to keep clicking. You can see that they will keep suggesting to you more branded products that you can easily order without stress. Guys, can you see that you start seeing suggestions of those kind of branded products you have clicked on? Can you see this YSL bag? See the price, 350 RMB. That is about 30 something thousand. That is almost 40,000 naira. Wow. So this is basically how to source for branded products on 1688. Just keep clicking, just keep clicking on branded products. Look at this one. They are selling this one for 312. That is 30 something thousand naira. You can see. Can you see that? So you just have to keep clicking. When you keep clicking on branded products, they are going to keep giving you suggestions of branded products. Look at this one. They are selling this one for 422 RMB. That is about 40 something thousand naira for this Louis Vuitton bag. So this is how to source for branded products. Look at the video. Let me play the video so that I can see it very well. So this bag is, they are selling it for 40 something thousand naira. Wow. You'll be buying this bag for 40 something thousand naira. Please drop your comments, drop your answer in the comment section. So this is how to source for branded products. You can enter the seller store to get more branded products. And one of the easiest way to source for branded products is by adding to cart. So when you add them to cart, just add to cart, select and add to cart. So when you add to cart, you keep adding to cart, keep adding all these branded products to your cart. Then you can now go to cart and scroll down to your cart. So you add only branded products to your cart. Then refresh your cart like this. So look at the ones I added to cart. So you can now scroll down to the end of your cart. You keep scrolling down to the end of your cart. So you will see more suggestions. This one is even the fastest. You see more suggestions of branded products. Can you see that? Can you see this one? Can you see? Very beautiful. They are selling this for just 2,000 or 3,000 naira. So this is how to source for branded products. You keep scrolling down, keep clicking. Look at this Louis Vuitton bag too. They are selling it for 135 RMB. That is about 15,000 naira. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to drop some of the links to all these branded bags to in the description, so that, can you see this one? Can you see this branded bag? Which brand is this one? Seriously, I don't know this brand, but look at the price. The price is 1,446.67 RMB. This person might be the original, maybe the original brand, or maybe the person has license to sell, because this 1,000 plus now, it means it's going for like 150,000 naira. This bag, if you convert it to naira, 1 RMB is about 113 naira right now. If you convert it, you will see that this is about 150,000 naira. I don't even know the brand, because the brand name, because it's not written on it. So I hope you enjoy watching. I'm going to add the links to all some of the products. I can't add the links to all the products, but I'll try my best to add some of the links in the description below so that you can easily access the product. Look at this night wear. See the amount they are selling is selling for 10,000 naira plus. You can see that it's Louis Vuitton. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you learned one or two things today. So guys, if you are interested in seeing more of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. I know most of you come to my channel just for importation videos alone. Please, I don't teach on importation only. If you want to support me with your full chest. Support me by watching my other videos. I drop content on other topics ranging from motherhood, faith, parenting, and so much more. Please don't forget to always come back to support me. Please, I drop more content. Don't watch only my importation videos alone. Please watch my other videos. Share my videos. Let other people see my content. People really need my content. Let them also see them when you share my videos. So guys, thanks for watching once again. See you in my next video. Bye bye.